Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today, I'd like to introduce you to an amazing crochet designer named Julia Tuschnitzka from jthouse.net. You may have seen Julia's amazing crochet work on Pinterest, Facebook, and other social media sites. She sent me a copy of her latest crochet magazine, which contains beautiful motifs that you can use as embellishments, or you can combine together to produce beautiful dresses, tunics, and tops. Her book contains large, easy-to-follow diagrams as well as easy-to-understand written patterns. You can find a copy of her magazine in both printed copy and electronic format on her website, jthouse.net. While you are at her website, check out some of the beautiful photos of her work. She also has both kits and the crochet thread available to create some of these gorgeous dresses. As you can see from these photos, the dresses are comprised of motifs that she connects together using both traditional and modern Irish crochet lace techniques. I especially love this purple one. So please be sure to visit Julia's website at jthouse.net and subscribe to her on YouTube at her JT House channel.